So here we start with our new video, that is the autotropic nutrition. We had discussed earlier that autotropic means the self-made food. That means the one who can prepare their own food is known as autotropic mode of nutrition. And we have given the example, that is the only and only green plants make their own food. So let's start. Here we are having the kind of nutrition in which an organism make its own food by utilizing simple substrate from the environment is known as autotroph. Green plant shows autotropic nutrition, hence they are called producer or autotrophs. Green plant prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. So let's see here the kind of nutrition in which an organism make its food by utilizing simple substances from the environment. That means the substances that means the green plants are using to prepare the food, just like carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. Again they are using chlorophyll. So these all are the, we can say, substances. That means they are getting from the environment. So if they are getting the substances from the environment and they are preparing the food, so this is known as the autotropic mode of nutrition. Now in the next line it is written, green plants show autotropic nutrition. So it is the only one example that will show the autotropic mode of nutrition. So they are called the producer. That means they are the only one who can make their own food, and they are giving that food to the other also. So they are known as producer, the one who produce. Green plant prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Now that process by which they are preparing their food, it is known as photosynthesis. It is known as photosynthesis. So that we can say the process by which the green plant prepare their food is known as photosynthesis. So let's study in detail about the photosynthesis, how the plants are preparing the food, what are the materials they are taking, what are the condition that is needed for preparing the food. In the first line it is written, the process by which green plants synthesize their food by using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. So I had already told you, CO2 plus H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll plus chlorophyll, that means chlorophyll is present in the leaves, and they will prepare the food for the plant. Getting my point? The process by which a green plant make their food by taking carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. So let's see how they are requiring these things. So requirement of photosynthesis. Now green leaves. So we can say that it is a site of food. It is a site of food factory. That means our leaves, it is green in color. So actually it is told that green leaves are the food factories of the plant, because over there only the food is prepared. So it is written here, green leaves are called food factories of plant because the food making process takes place in the leaves. That means it is a factory of the food for the plant. Now the next point is chlorophyll. Now where is the chlorophyll present? Actually, if we see that it is a leaf. Now this leaf contain a lot of cells. That means it is made up of lot of cells. So if we take a single cell If we take a single cell, we already know that a single cell contain a lot of cell organelles. So one of the cell organelles named chloroplast. So it is chloroplast. So chloroplast is present in the cell of the leaves. Now that chloroplast actually just they are just like, the structure is just like this. So they contain chlorophyll. What they contain? Chlorophyll. So that means it is a pigment, it is a green pigment known as chlorophyll. So in the presence of that chlorophyll, the plant prepare their food. So let's study in detail what is written in the chlorophyll part. The cells of green leaves have several green structure called chloroplast. So I have told you all that they are having that green structure is known as chloroplast. So chloroplast contain a green pigment that is called chlorophyll. Now the green color of the leaves is due to the presence of this pigment. If there will be no chlorophyll, there will be that means that leaves will not get that green color. If you see a dead leaves, what is the color of that dead leaves? I think it's brown. So why it is not in green in color? Because the cell that is present inside that leaves, it is dead. That means right now they are not having the chlorophyll. When they will not have the chlorophyll, that means they will not have the green color. Some leaves have large amount of red, brown and other pigment which mask their green color. Even then photosynthesis occur in these leaves because of the presence of the chlorophyll. See, if you see that there are some leaves that they are having a red color, brown color or other pigment, they are having, that is due to the red is due to the xanthophyll, but there is a presence of chlorophyll. So when chlorophyll is present, they will be able to prepare their food. So we are finished green leaves and chlorophyll. Let's see the other point what it is present. So here we are having the sunlight. That means it is a type of a light energy. Light energy is used to synthesize or prepare food with the help of carbon dioxide and water. Hence this process is called photosynthesis. That means we are getting, that means the plants are getting the energy, the photo energy from the sunlight. That means they are having the CO2, water, and when they are getting the little bit energy of sunlight, that means photo energy, light energy, and in presence of chlorophyll they will prepare their food. Here water and minerals. So water is absorbed by the roots. Plant absorb water and minerals from the root through their soil through their roots. These are transported to the leaves through pipes like vessels present inside the root, stem, branches and leaves. Have you heard about xylem? So xylem is the one which transport the water to the leaves. Now here comes the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, it is basically present in the atmosphere. That means in our free environment. So they are taking that carbon dioxide in their leaves. Now how they are taking that carbon dioxide inside the leaves? So if you take a leaf, okay, if you take a leaf, just roll it down. That